In today's rapidly evolving workplace, human capital management software is essential for businesses looking to improve employee performance, streamline HR operations, and foster a culture of continuous development. Leapsome is an all-in-one performance management, learning, and employee engagement platform designed to help organizations align, develop, and retain top talent through automation, analytics, and seamless integrations. Whether you're an HR professional, team leader, or business owner, Leapsome provides powerful tools for performance reviews, goal setting, learning management, employee engagement surveys, and real time feedback. Its intuitive interface and automation capabilities ensure that HR processes become more efficient while enabling data driven decision making. In this video, we will guide you through Leapsome's key features, benefits, and why it's a top choice for companies looking to elevate their HR and performance management strategies. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated performance reviews and 360 feedback. Leapsome automates performance reviews with customizable templates, self assessments, peer feedback, and manager evaluations. The 360 feedback system allows employees to receive insights from multiple sources, ensuring a well rounded assessment. Managers can schedule reviews in advance, set automated reminders, and track feedback trends over time. This saves HR teams time, reduces bias in performance evaluations, and fosters a transparent feedback culture that helps employees grow. So, with structured data backed insights, businesses can identify high performers, recognize improvement areas, and develop better leadership strategies. Another key feature is the goal and OKR, or objectives and key results tracking. Leapsome enables businesses to set, track, and align individual, team, and company wide goals. The software integrates with business workflows to ensure real time progress tracking, offering visual dashboards to measure goal achievement and performance alignment. This enhances goal visibility, improves alignment with business objectives, and ensures employees stay motivated and accountable. With its structured OKR framework, companies can drive better team collaboration and track long term performance trends. Another key feature is the learning and development integration. Leapsome includes a built in learning management system that allows companies to create and assign training programs, track progress, and deliver personalized learning experiences. Employees can upskill with custom courses, quizzes, and certifications, ensuring continuous development. This promotes a culture of learning, improves employee skill development, and helps businesses maintain a competitive, highly skilled workforce. Leapsome's learning tools also support micro learning, allowing employees to learn at their own pace while improving productivity. Another key feature is the employee engagement and pulse surveys. Leapsome's engagement survey tool gathers real time feedback from employees through anonymous surveys and pulse checks. AI powered analytics provide insights into company culture, job satisfaction, and areas for improvement, enabling HR leaders to take proactive action. This helps businesses identify employee concerns, improve workplace satisfaction, and reduce turnover by addressing key engagement challenges proactively. These insights allow HR teams to tailor strategies that enhance company culture, motivation, and employee well being. Another key feature is the instant feedback and recognition. The platform enables continuous feedback between employees and managers, allowing teams to share real time insights, recognize achievements, and encourage professional growth. Recognition can be tied to company values, reinforcing a positive workplace culture. This strengthens team collaboration, boosts employee morale, and reinforces a culture of open communication and recognition. So, why is Leapsome a great choice? Leapsome is a comprehensive, all in one HR and performance management solution that brings together performance reviews, goal tracking, learning, engagement, and analytics into a single user friendly platform. Unlike traditional HR systems that focus only on administrative tasks, Leapsome empowers organizations to build high performing, engaged teams through continuous learning and real time feedback. Its AI driven insights, automation tools, and seamless integrations make it a scalable solution suitable for small businesses, mid sized companies, and large enterprises alike. So, another major advantage of Leapsome is its focus on continuous development and engagement. So, many traditional HR tools simply track employee data, but Leapsome actively supports growth and career progression by providing structured feedback, learning paths, and career planning insights. So, by integrating all aspects of performance management, learning, and employee engagement into a single, easy to use system, Leapsome provides HR teams with the tools they need to create a thriving, people centric workplace. Basically, Leapsome is a game changing HR and performance management platform designed to help companies streamline HR processes, boost employee engagement, and improve workforce productivity. With features like automated performance reviews, real time feedback, goal tracking, learning management, and data driven insights, it provides businesses with everything they need to create a thriving workplace. So, if you're looking to modernize your HR strategy and enhance employee development, Leapsome is the ultimate tool for driving organizational success. With its user friendly interface, automation capabilities, and data driven approach, it simplifies HR management and enhances company culture. So start using Leapsome today to transform your HR and talent management processes. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.